Valentine is just around the corner. We just got first shipments for this holiday, and I want to check together with you one of the boxes from our offer in Valentine. This is a box which we call Love and Sweet. It's a selection from one of the cards we are working. Love and Sweet cards. They are so pinkish. Exclusivity together with you. They are 50 centimeters. Selection of artists. So we start with Pink Floyd. Nice, soft pink mondial. White. This case is the white cream Playa Blanca. So, 2 hot pink, 2 pink, 2 white, and of course 4 red explorer. Look, they're very nice, very fresh. Of course, as you speak, you already have ordered the roses, but I just want to see. So, this is Love and Sweet box for Valentine's. This is what our clients will get in today's shipment and next shipment for this Valentine.